What's up YouTube? My name's Kelvin.
And I'm Chris.
And we want to welcome you to the Armor Protective Packaging YouTube channel.
Welcome.
Welcome. Now, we're about to start a new series, and this is, drumroll please, boom, episode 1 of what we're calling Arrusted Development. 2 guys, 2 minutes, talk Rust. Let's get into it.
Perfect. Now, the story of Rust, and the 2 guys who talked about it in 2 minutes. It's Arrusted Development.
Episode 1, here we are. Chapter uno. In the beginning, there was rust. And the rust was bad.
It was bad, and I love it. I'm gonna let you finish because you got a dramatic moment going here and I really love it. But on average, rust and corrosion cost the world $276 billion worth of damage, which is mind-boggling to me. But anyways, continue.
And that's where we come in. We're Armor Protective Packaging, and we have a secret. The secret is VCI. Now you might be thinking, what the hell is VCI? Well, we are here to tell you what the hell VCI is and how it can help you get rid of that nasty, annoying, tetanus-causing stuff we call rust.
That's exactly right. But Chris, these people have places to be, people to see, things to do. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock.
Let's do it.
So VCI is an acronym for Vapor Corrosion Inhibitors, which, much like the name suggests, stands for Corrosion Inhibiting Vapors. Now, what does that mean? Because it's kind of a tongue twister. It means that, long story short, VCI stops and prevents rust from happening on your metal parts in an enclosed area, such as a shipping container, a box, or anywhere else you would store metal parts.
Exactly, and that's the trick, right? How do you get this VCI to your metal part? How do you get it on the shelf? How do you get it in your shipping crate when it's going on its way to China? That's where we come in. Armor has our very own secret sauce of VCI. Could you grab the roll for me real quick?
Oh, yeah.
And what we do is we take a plastic poly or a paper sheet or a sheet of foam, and we will combine our secret sauce of VCI into that packaging material. So once it's combined with the packaging material and you put a metal part inside this bag, VCI will emit off of the bag, cling to the metal part, and create a hydrophobic barrier. And the best part about it is it's so thin you can't even see it. It's not going to alter the metal. It won't alter the taste or the smell of the metal, but what are you doing that anyway? And best part is, the second you take it back out of the VCI bag or the VCI paper, it's gone. You can put that metal part directly into use. It's not oily or greasy or messy. Actually, around Armor, we call it clean, safe, and easy.
So VCI is actually what's called nanotechnology, which is crazy to me because that sounds like something from science fiction, like Tony Stark or Iron Man or something.
Actually, I think Tony Stark did use it in Iron Man 2, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, you're right, he did. Yeah, check it out. Iron Man 2, you can catch some of Armor's products being featured by none other than Tony Stark.
In theaters 7 years ago.
Yes. But that being said, VCI is a nanotechnology. It is about 4 to 6 nanometers thin.
And to put that into perspective, I didn't mean to cut you off, but I get excited about this kind of stuff.
Go for it.
A sheet of paper is 100,000 nanometers thick. That's crazy.
It is. So that means when the VCI is emitting from the packaging material onto your metal part to form that hydrophobic layer that you were talking about, it is incredibly thin. You'll never notice it. You won't feel it. You won't smell it. It's amazing. It honestly is almost like magic in terms of preventing rust.
I think it quite literally is magic.
I think you're right. This is just episode 1 of what we're about to do here at Arrusted Development, our little show that we have here at Armor Protective Packaging about 2 guys, 2 minutes, talking about rust. So we hope you enjoyed episode 1, what the hell is VCI? But if you have any other questions about what the hell VCI is, feel free to email us at info@armorvci.com, and we can tell you all the things that are fantastic about VCI and how you can use our products to prevent rust from happening on your metal parts. Thanks, we'll see you next week.